So to start filming, you don't need an expensive phone or an expensive camera. What I'm filming with right now is Samsung Galaxy S5. Can you imagine? Hey awesome people, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubi, in case you're seeing this face for the first time, and today I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can film with your mobile phone. Start filming, you're going to need a decent phone. Now you don't have to break the bank. In case you are thinking the phone you need to start with is Samsung Galaxy S20 or iPhone 11 Pro and all that. Once you have a decent phone, you can use that to film. Like I'm filming with Samsung Galaxy S5. Can you imagine? This phone is as old as Methuselah. So I've had this phone for a long time. So I decided to show you guys that you can actually get a good output using any good phone you have. So if you have a good phone, a good Samsung phone or a good Apple phone, you can always start with that. Okay, so once you have a good phone, you're good to go. If you're a newbie and you want to start filming, you're going to be needing a background to work with. Okay, it's either you have a wall or you have a space, and you are free to decorate your background to suit your style. You're free to decorate your background according to the budget you have. Okay, you can just put flowers behind you or frames on the wall or just anything that you feel you can do to your background to make it pop. Just do it. You don't need a full house to start filming. You can always start with just a wall behind you and you can progress from there. Okay, if you don't want to go through the stress of putting flowers or frames on the wall, you can buy fabrics that you can use on your background and you're good to go. Another important thing you need to know today is that if you want to film and you want to have a good output, you need lots and lots of lights. But if you don't have money to buy lights, you can always use your daylight. Like what I'm filming with today is my natural daylight. I'm filming in the morning and the weather is not so friendly. The weather is gloomy. I don't know if I'm going to use that word. So it's about to rain, but I just said I must make this video. You can always film in front of your door, in front of your window, in front of anywhere that lights can just pass through. You can just set your camera in front of it and you're good to go, just like what I'm doing. So I'm just showing you guys practical example of what you need in order to start filming on a budget. You need a decent microphone if you want to start. Like this microphone you can see here, this is a lapel mic. It is fixed to my phone. All right, this is as cheap as it can get, like the cheapest. When I went online to look for this, I think they were on promo. So everything, both the microphone and then the shipping, everything wasn't more than 1,500 or 2,000 give or take. It wasn't more than 2K. Mostly the sound the camera microphone produces is not as good as it should be. So you need an external mic to boost your voice, all right, to boost your sound. So that's what I'm using. This one is a lapel mic. You can get a boom mic. There are so many other kinds of microphones out there in the market, but this one is just like the cheapest you can get. I use this one to film even when I'm filming with my camera. Okay, all right, another thing is a tripod stand. So right now I'm filming with a standard tripod stand. This is the tripod stand I use for my camera. But then if you don't want to buy this, you can always buy phone tripod stand. Those ones are cheaper. You can get those ones for 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, depending on the one you want to buy. But this one is the one I use for my camera. I just had to buy a clip and that's what I'm filming with. So you need a tripod stand for stability. All right, you don't need your video to be shaking up and down. You need your video to be steady. So you need a tripod stand. Like it is very, very important. But if you don't have a tripod stand, You can always improvise. Seriously, you can always improvise. I'm going to show you guys one of the things that I did, like one of the improvisations that I made when I was starting out, but then it's still helping. Seriously, you can, tell a carpenter to make something for you, to stand your phone. Okay, you're going to need to edit. I edit with my phone. I edit with my system. I edit with my phone. Same phone you film with, you can edit with that. All you need to do is to go to Play Store if you're filming with your, what's this called again, your Android phone, and download VN. It is a very wonderful editing app. I love that app a lot. It edits well. I have a detailed video on how you can edit using a VN app. I'm going to leave it somewhere in the description so that you guys will go and see that video in case you don't know how to edit using your cell phone. Now, before you start filming, you need a paper to jot down some important points you would like to make in the video. Like, it's not like you're going to write down everything and you cram it. You need to write down your points so you don't forget anything you would like to say in the video. Once you set your camera rolling, it is likely that you might forget some points you want to make in the video. So that's why it is advised that you have a notebook where you put down all the things you need to say in the video. And one more important thing is, don't film with your front camera. If you must film with your back camera. Seriously, the back camera will give you a better output than your front camera. I don't know if this makes sense to you. If you're using your front camera, you'll be tempted to look at the screen to see how you're talking, probably to know if you're talking well or if you're shaking your head and all that. If you're filming with your back camera, you need to focus your eyes on the camera section. That way, when you're talking to people, they feel you. They feel you're talking to them. They connect with you. Like, if I'm talking to you and I'm looking elsewhere, okay, this is how you're going to do this. Do you understand? So take this, number one. It feels like I'm talking to someone else. It feels like I'm just saying rubbish. But when I'm talking to you and I'm looking right in front of the camera, it feels like I am communicating with you. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this is one important thing you need to know if you want to start filming. I saw a video that my sister made. I was like, this is such a good video, but why were you just looking everywhere? You were not looking at the camera. So you're not communicating with me. It just feels like you're talking to people generally, but you're not talking to me. All right, so these are just the basic things you need if you want to start a YouTube channel. I feel like I owe you guys this video because I've been asked several times, how do you film with a cell phone, with a mobile phone? And I'm so happy that I had to do this today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And feel free to let me know the videos you'd like to see here on this channel. And also feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. I'll get to it. Until next time, guys, stay safe and I'll catch you all in my next